Okay, so a 4 and 5C kit, part 2. They are done. Um, like, is the base. For this one, oh wait, I might actually put a little, like, some sort of like small can in here and carry something like this with, alcohol in it. This is 70-something alcohol in it. I can shoot and make that into a thing, or just make a cat food can thing. The other accoutrements, probably not much for the 5C kit. Yeah. So we're done. Okay. So I just to put in 2 of these matches. Match hooks. 4C. Same deal. And I put this in here for food prepping or whatever I need for. Yeah. Well. But yeah, so I haven't decided accoutrements for this one yet. I will do accoutrements for this. This is easy enough to clean, honestly. Yeah, so yeah. My goal is to just make the 10C kits into Ziploc bags. 10C kit will probably require a couple bags. Yeah. This is so you can have it in your vehicle in case you have to use it. I might add some, food into these bags too, as an accoutrement, so I can have that to eat. Oh, I thought this fell off. I thought this fell off, by the way. You can barely see it, but yeah. Since I carry something like this, I'm good. So, phone charging on this. Yeah. My goal is to have y'all be able to make the other seeds if you needed to do it. I'm proud of all my kits I've made so far of this variety. So, yeah. This one is actually the least, heavy, since I have everything in here. I gotta take this off. And if y'all didn't notice, this is actually the dog bowl from the kit I'm remaking, the bug out bag I'm remaking. You know what? That's gonna be the 10C kit. I've decided. Yeah, I've decided it. Because it has a few pockets on it anyway, right? So yeah. Would you quit doing it? So yeah. Just a quick look. Okay. Yeah. These were easier to get, these are, the 3C kit, these could be easily urban, if you're in an urban situation, so, yeah. I was on the principle of, hey, I scavenged it. I bought it, yeah, but my goal, okay, what do you find when you're looking for resources? Hey, usually dog bowls are in, pull-ups, right? So take that in a situation that you need it and wash it with the soap and the water in the bathroom, because that's potable water usually. So, both of these are different, but I'm moving all these kits so far. So the 6, 7, 8, 9, and the big boy, the big boy 10C kit will be, done later. So, no. Next video I'll probably end up like reviewing or reviewing or what is it called? Reiterating what's in the bags over here. The bag's over there, by the way. We have the tents and my workout stuff. Yeah. Anything? Anyone knows the food jar? That was my first iteration of the Hello or the Boner. Okay. The power wash, I was going to use for something, but then I realized, like for vehicle wipe, I realized you could use a baby wipe and water. I've never gotten sick from it, so you just really well, and then wipe it out. That's the tip right there. So yeah, the 6C kit, I'm going to add compass. Okay, unless I didn't do it in here. Unless I didn't. Yeah. It's the 5C kit. It's the basic 5. Yeah, no compass in the 5C kit. The 6C kit will have compass. Okay? Then the bandana. Because there's like the 6 or 7 one. I'm going to have the other one of these. Or if I can, I'm going to go get some more of the cup things and put those in there. The grease, bacon grease, fat dispenser thing. If I can find more of those. I should actually have more of those actually in the prepping room. So if I could find those, that'd be great. Actually, I'm gonna get the 3 boxes there. But yeah, so yeah. With this, I have the canteen, and then this to cook in. Anyway, it's been Hobo, been Post-Box Survival. Hope you survive in the wasteland, and make kits that will help you survive, even if you're missing some C's. The survivability.